Boult Striker 1.3 HD, Bluetooth calling, complete health tracking, 150 plus watch faces smartwatch. Bluetooth calling. Equipped with a dedicated mic and inbuilt speakers, the Boult Striker smartwatch allows you to attend calls with its Bluetooth calling feature. Moreover, featuring Bluetooth technology, it stays connected to your smartphone, keeping you updated with this smartwatch's smart notifications function. Immaculate Grid. This smartwatch boasts a grid that allows you to quickly and effectively view the features of this watch. HD display. Sporting around HD display that measures up to 3.30 centimeters, 1.3, this smartwatch gives you clear visibility with an enlarged field of view. Health monitor. Featuring multiple health tracking modes, this smartwatch provides you with all kinds of updates right on your wrist. While its 24*7 heart rate monitor, SpO2 blood oxygen saturation monitor, and blood pressure monitor can present a detailed picture of your health. You can also observe your daily lifestyle with the drink water reminder, sleep monitor, and sedentary reminder integrated into this smartwatch. Additionally, its female menstrual cycle tracking allows women to keep track of their periods. Multiple sports modes. With more than 100 sports modes to choose from, this smartwatch lets you track your performance levels. From cycling to running and yoga, it gives you a comprehensive idea about your fitness goals backed with in-depth data. Long battery life. Offering a battery life of up to 7 days, this smartwatch can last up to 2 days even with constant Bluetooth calling. Additionally, with a 20-day standby time and capable of being fully charged within 2 hours, you need not be concerned about it getting discharged anytime soon. Custom watch faces. Boasting more than 150 cloud-based watch faces, this smartwatch also allows you to customize them as per your liking with a single tap. Water-resistant design. Courtesy of its IP67 rated design, this smartwatch is capable of handling occasional splashes and sweat, eliminating your concern about water damage.